What is up, guys? Forget everything you know about entry-level luxury. This isn't just a crossover, it's a massive statement. Sitting right here is the all-new, next-generation 2027 Lexus LBX. We just got the keys, we've got these insane mountains in the background, and a serious piece of tech to play with. Is this the compact SUV that finally redefines the segment? Let's find out. Alright, check this out. Lexus has completely evolved their signature spindle grille. It's way more integrated into the bodywork now, less aggressive, but so much more sophisticated. Look at these razor-sharp headlights and this continuous LED daytime running light that slices right across the hood. It looks incredibly clean. The side mirrors are super minimalist now, almost camera-like. And for the higher performance trims, this thing is sitting on some serious 19-inch wheels with massive red Brembo brake calipers peeking through. They're letting you know right now, this isn't just for grocery runs. Moving around to the back, it is incredibly sleek. They are leaning hard into the design trend of the decade, a single continuous light bar stretching across the entire width of the car. It's smooth, it's futuristic, and it proudly spells out LEXUS across the center. No chunky model badges, just that iconic name. I absolutely love the lower bumper design too, featuring a sporty integrated diffuser with the parking sensors beautifully hidden. The whole stance is just muscular and super premium. Stepping inside, welcome to the future. Lexus calls this their Tazuna concept, and you instantly see why. Everything wraps right around the driver. We've got these massive, crystal-clear screens, a full digital instrument cluster, a huge main infotainment display, and a dedicated lower screen just for climate and shortcuts. It's not overwhelming, it's just clean. The quality of these black leather seats with the subtle stitching is top tier. You've got a floating center console, E-latch door handles, and look at this massive panoramic glass roof letting all this alpine sun in. It makes the cabin feel twice as big. But the good stuff isn't just for the front row. The back seats are seriously comfortable, wrapped in that same high-quality leather. Passengers get their own fold-down armrest with built-in cup holders, making long road trips a breeze. Plus, the view looking up through that giant glass roof is absolutely epic for anyone riding in the back. Under the hood, we are talking about some serious modern hardware. This next-gen LBX is rocking a highly advanced, performance-focused hybrid system. We're expecting a massive bump in both horsepower and efficiency from this setup. This isn't your grandma's sluggish hybrid. This is an electrified powertrain built to actually move. And yes, for certain markets, there are heavy rumors of a full battery electric version dropping soon. The whole goal here is punchy, efficient power and razor-sharp handling on canyon roads exactly like this. Alright, let's talk numbers and competition. The compact luxury segment is heavily crowded. The 2027 LBX is going toe-to-toe with heavy hitters like the Mercedes GLA and the next Audi Q3, plus new EV rivals like the Volvo EX30 and BMW iX1. To stay in the fight, we're anticipating a starting price right around the $38,000 mark, climbing up well into the low to mid $50,000 for a fully loaded AWD performance trim. It's serious money, but you are getting a serious amount of car for it. So I gotta know, what do you guys think of the all-new 2027 Lexus LBX? Is it the perfect blend of compact efficiency and true Lexus luxury? Or is the European competition just too tough to beat? Drop a comment down below and let's debate. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.